Guys, I just want to do a quick update on this third hull that we are installing. First, go ahead and give this a like and subscribe to get notifications for this and other projects if you haven't yet. I do appreciate it. Okay, so as of last night, I have a good portion of this center piece glassed in place. So this is just about ready to drop the blocks out and see if we're in good shape or what. But before we do that, I've got a couple of things to tie up. This centerpiece I've got in here, I was originally just gonna follow the contours of this original attachment here, and just for the sake of time, I've opted not to do that. And also to give it a little bit more rigidity side to side. And what I'm going to do is basically take some of this Nytacord here, which is hollow PVC, honeycomb basically under that, and it's sandwiched with a good layer of matting. Very light, very strong. You can step on this easily and it will not bend. And that's what this is actually, the deck here, up here. So in any case, I'm going to take a scrap piece and just box this in. And I'll take off one side, not one whole side, but enough to squeeze this in nice and flush so it won't look wonky, or too wonky anyway. And then glass that all in place. And then the other thing we got to do is on the front here, I'm going to basically fill this wood piece in to match this all the way to the other side, and then I'm going to glass this in both sides, sandwich this in, and that'll give us a nice connection to the front here basically. And then what else? What do we got? I think the guy's debating. I was gonna actually throw in a cross member or two. I think he's debating on doing that, but that is what we got going on right now, and I'm not going to show any more progress on this video. I've got to go actually run and go do an estimate before the day's up, so I'm out of here. But that's what this is looking like now. If you want to see the rest of this, how this looks, again, please do go ahead and like, subscribe, you'll get notifications. Thanks a lot for watching.